Hello friends, welcome to VTech tutorial. In this video we will learn how to hide any icon or date or time from the taskbar in the Windows 10. It is very easy in the Windows 10. Just right click on the taskbar and go to taskbar settings and then come down. You will find an option turn system icon on or off. Click over here and here you will find all the icons on or off on the taskbar. You have to off the clock, volume, network, or any option or the icon you want to hide from the taskbar. You just off by clicking over these options. So once you done, close this window and you will find here we don't have date and time. Thank you friends for watching this video. If you like and it is useful for you, please subscribe our channel. Thanks for coming. Come back again.